Hey guys, a quick update on MicroStrategy, and a lot of you have been following me on this for a while, so I'm just doing a quick update. Not going to do a live trade or anything because I just did it during the week. Got busy trading and flying and coming back to the US, so I just didn't have time to record everything. But I wanted to let you know, looking at MicroStrategy, it's making a severe correction, like a 5% correction today or something like that. Anyway, it's gone down from almost 460 to 428 where it is right now. And so you could see it came outside of its Bollinger Bands out here, and it's starting to correct back towards the center. And it's doing it on some decent volume today. So you've got to be a little bit careful. So I just want to show you what I've been doing. A couple of days ago, what I did was I rolled my last position to the short 440s. Now, you know I'm an in-the-money guy, and this was pretty in the money because the stock had gone up to 460, I guess it was. But now it's correcting 20 points. I'm so glad that I have the 440s. Now the stock right now is showing at 428, 422 aftermarket because the market just closed. But you could see I'm already up 16,000 on the position, and it expires next week. So I believe that you should be safe with your money. And one of the ways to be safe with your money is to sell in the money calls. Right? So many people are like, well, yeah, but it's going to go to 500. It's on a breakout and all this kind of stuff. And yeah, it may be. But you don't know. Like if you were one of those people that's like, well, MicroStrategy's breaking out now because Bitcoin's breaking out. This is the God candle. This is going to go to $200,000 a coin. This is it. Well, you don't know. And here we go. MicroStrategy just corrected gigantically today, down 6%. At 423 right after the market closed here. So I don't think it's going to stay down there. I think it had to test the 430 level, but I sure am glad I shorted those 440s. I'll probably buy those back Monday or Tuesday morning because I've already made most of my juice on those. And so why not? Why not buy them back? And if I still have a few days left on them, buy them back, and then I can sell another lower priced call next week as well. So just wanted to give you that quick update and emphasize to you that in the money covered call writing makes a lot of sense. Not all the time. It hasn't been fun while the stock's been going up because I've had to use some working capital to roll up over the strike. The stock's gone up $46. But you know what? It just corrected how much? $29 today. So really, at the end of the day, it's only up 16 bucks. It's not that bad. It's not that bad to be in the money and be protected. All right. Hey, I'm having an event in Clearwater in the end of September. You probably heard about it. If you have, great. If you haven't, fine. But register below if you're interested in coming and spending 3 days and learning how to create reliable income from the stock market. Here's the promo, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. What if you could lock in reliable income every month no matter what the market's doing? Most investors are gambling with their retirement, hoping things work out. But hope is not a strategy, and that's why I created the cash flow machine, a proven system that works in bull markets, bear markets, and everything in between. Join me live in Clearwater, Florida, September 26th through the 28th for a powerful 3-day event that will change the way you trade forever. It's called the Wealth Accelerator Live. It's 3 days to build your income machine and rewire your wealth mindset. Here's what I'm going to deliver to you. Lifetime access to my full elite trading course. It's a $2,997 value. A personal trading plan that you can use right away. Mastery of the Juice Calculator to engineer smarter trades. Hands-on sessions with real traders showing real income strategies. Behind-the-scenes tools we never teach online. Now, you'll be in a room with serious investors, people just like you who are scaling income and wealth with this repeatable system. And we're keeping it small and intimate. Spots are very limited and we will sell out. Grab your early bird ticket today and let's build your income machine together. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.